Good day, class. I've uploaded today's assignment onto Think Central, and I decided it was necessary to make a video showing you how to access those assignments. It's a very simple process. First, what you need to do is log on to your student portal. Then scroll down and click on your e-textbook for math. And when you've clicked on your e-textbook for math, you're going to see a page similar to what we have here. What I want you to do is click on Things to Do. When you click on Things to Do, you're going to notice that you have two assignments. The assignment I want you to work on is going to be Classify Quadrilaterals. So click on Classify Quadrilaterals. Then you're going to click on the Classify Quadrilaterals assignment. Okay, once you've clicked on your assignment, you'll see a screen giving you some instructions. What I want you to do is click on the button where it says Go to Activity. When you click on that button, you'll see your assignment, and this is your assignment. You have your shortcut buttons on top, and you'll notice there are some buttons on the side and towards the bottom. What you have to do is read the instructions, use the figure that they give you to answer the questions below. And many of these questions are going to have a drop-down menu. What you have to do is click and then select whatever answer you want to select. Now, for example, it says use quadrilateral A, B, C, D to complete the sentences. So they want us to use this figure to complete the sentence. And if you notice, there are lines on this figure. You'll notice there's two on top, two on the bottom. This is telling us that the top and bottom are equal. And if you notice on the left and right side, there's only one line. This is telling us that these sides are equal. This one is not going to be equal to this two. So these two are equal, but these two sides are not equal to the top and bottom. Okay. Question. Are any of the sides congruent, meaning are any of the sides the same? Identify any congruent sides. It says opposite sides are congruent or the same. Adjacent sides are congruent or the same. All sides are congruent or the same, or none of the sides are congruent or the same. And we'll notice that opposite sides were the same, so you should select opposite sides. Next, it says how many right angles, if any, does this quadrilateral have? And you would look at your quadrilateral. Does it have any right angles? Then it says this quadrilateral has, and you would say no right angles. Next, it says how many pairs of parallel sides, if any, does this quadrilateral have? Remember, pair means two. This would be one pair of parallel sides, and the top and bottom would be another pair of parallel sides. So this quadrilateral would have two pairs of parallel sides. So quadrilateral A, B, C, D is A. You would click the drop-down menu. Is this a parallelogram, triangle, or square? By definition, we know that this should be a parallelogram. What you can do is click, check your answer, and it'll tell you, well done. Then you'll go to the next question and do the same thing. Read all of the instructions and answer the question to the best of your ability. Now let's look at these buttons on the side. When you are completely done with numbers 1 through 8, you can turn it in. For example, Let's say you're working on this assignment and you get to number 5 and you have an emergency and you have to stop working on the assignment. What you're going to do is click save and close. When you click save and close, you can always return to the assignment and continue working. If you click turn it in, you cannot get the assignment back. So make sure you do not click turn it in until you are completely done. Now that you know what to do, let's get to work.